Upcycling appliance scrap is more than a design exercise. It is a shift in perspective, a quiet rebellion against throwaway culture, and a commitment to craftsmanship that respects both material and environment. Each transformation begins with observation, studying the geometry of a washing machine drum, the symmetry of oven racks, the strength of refrigerator frames, or the rhythm of vented panels. Hello. Welcome back to Kuki Decor, where creativity meets purpose and forgotten materials are given a second life. Before we begin, take a moment to subscribe to the channel and become part of a growing community that believes beauty doesn't have to come from new resources, but from reimagining what already exists. Every subscription helps us continue sharing daily inspiration, practical techniques, and meaningful stories that turn scrap, wood and metal into modern decor and income-generating creations. If you watch this video until the end, you'll see how these once discarded appliance parts come together as cohesive, modern statement furniture and decor. We'll reflect on the transformation, highlight key design choices, and show how intentional upcycling can elevate everyday spaces while reducing waste. As this upcycling challenge comes to a close, take a moment to reflect on the possibilities hidden around you, materials waiting for curiosity, creativity, and care to bring them forward. Today's upcycling challenge invites you into a world where discarded appliance parts once silent, overlooked, and destined for landfills are reborn as bold, contemporary statement furniture and artistic decor. In homes around the world, appliances are replaced faster than ever, leaving behind steel frames, brushed panels, motors, vents, and textured surfaces that still hold strength, character, and untapped potential. When viewed through a creative lens, these fragments are not waste. They are raw materials filled with industrial beauty, waiting to be reshaped into functional art. Imagine running your hands across cool metal that once lived behind plastic casings, now cleaned, refined, and transformed into sleek table bases, sculptural shelving, or striking wall decor that anchors a modern space. The question is never what these objects were, but what they can become. Through thoughtful dismantling, careful planning, and intentional design, appliance parts evolve into furniture that feels purposeful rather than improvised, contemporary rather than cluttered, and expressive rather than ordinary. Modern statement furniture thrives on contrast. Clean lines meet raw textures. Minimal forms are grounded by industrial history. Appliance scrap naturally embodies this balance, offering materials that are honest, strong, and visually compelling. As pieces are cut, welded, sanded, and finished, they begin to tell a new story, one shaped by patience and vision. If you're enjoying this journey so far, and love seeing how everyday scrap can become modern furniture and decor, this is a great moment to subscribe to Kuki Decor. By subscribing, you'll get regular inspiration, step-by-step ideas, and creative challenges that help you turn discarded materials into beautiful, functional pieces, and even profitable projects. This challenge highlights how sustainable design does not mean sacrificing style. Instead, It reveals how restraint and intention elevate the final result. A table built from reclaimed panels becomes striking not because it is loud, but because it is authentic. A lamp crafted from salvaged components casts a warmer glow because it carries meaning. Throughout this process, furniture and decor stop being just objects. They become conversation starters. They invite curiosity and reflection, reminding us that beauty can come from unexpected places when creativity leads the way. One of the most powerful aspects of appliance scrap upcycling is accessibility. These materials are often affordable, readily available, and overlooked, making them perfect for makers, designers, and creative working with limited resources. With basic tools and imagination, scrap becomes a doorway to endless possibilities. This approach empowers creativity while opening opportunities for small businesses, local markets, and custom commissions. Upcycling teaches problem-solving, patience, and respect for materials, skills that deepen craftsmanship and encourage mindful making. The journey from scrap to statement furniture is rarely linear. It involves experimentation, adjustments, and moments of uncertainty. But it is within these moments that originality emerges. Each finished piece stands as proof that sustainability and modern design can exist in harmony. These creations fit seamlessly into modern interiors, loft spaces, studios, and minimalist homes. They show that reclaimed materials can feel refined, intentional, and timeless when guided by strong design principles. More importantly, this challenge invites a mindset shift. It encourages us to slow down, look closer, and recognize potential where others see waste. Appliance scrap becomes a symbol of renewal rather than obsolescence. By choosing upcycling, we move away from excess and toward meaning. We choose stories over trends and craftsmanship over convenience. Each reclaimed piece becomes a quiet statement of values and creativity. As this upcycling challenge comes to a close, take a moment to reflect on the possibilities that exist around you, hidden in plain sight, waiting for curiosity and care to bring them forward. If this journey inspired you to see scrap differently, to imagine furniture as storytelling, and to believe that sustainable creativity belongs in modern homes, subscribe to Kuki Decor. Join a community dedicated to turning waste into beauty, ideas into action, and creativity into purpose. Your support allows us to continue sharing daily inspiration, thoughtful transformations, and practical ways to create decor that matters, because every reclaimed piece is not just a design choice, but a step toward a more intentional, creative, and sustainable future.